Finally got my hands on a DJI Mavic Air. This is the Fly More combo. So before we take it in the air, let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. This is a $999 package. So it's chock full. Apparently it's flame red. Chock full of extra stuff. Big fan of the Mavic Air because it is lightweight, flies for like 22 minutes. It flies super fast. It can go quite far. Got a 12 megapixel camera, shoots great video. Here's the package. First, it comes with this really sharp carrying case. Got this case, that, and inside of here, these are the guards. We're gonna open this guy up. A box. Here's the remote control. 1 battery. 2 batteries. This is the charging base for the batteries. Oh, nice. The DJI Mavic Air. Look at how it folds up. Look at how compact it is. It's actually, I'm sitting here, it's got a battery in it right now. It is so lightweight. If you haven't seen how it opens. There is a little cover on the front of the camera. Let's see, how to get charged for the first time. It is a little bit of a mystery. No, not there. How about here? What kind of port is that? Turns out that's actually a micro USB port, even though the shape is not right. This should work. Waiting for it. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to try and fly the DJI Mavic Air drone out here. It's not really authorized, but give it a shot. That was a pretty good first flight. Although, I don't think I got 22 minutes out of it. A lot of high winds up there.